5 healthy food recipes to lose weight. To lose weight, having a proper diet is just as important as a regular exercise routine. Studies have shown that weight loss is best supported by a diet that is low in carbohydrates, high in protein, and includes good fats. To give you some ideas of easy-to-prepare meals that will help you lose weight, here are 5 healthy food recipes to lose weight that anybody can easily prepare at home. 1. Protein pancakes. Ingredients: 2 large eggs, 1 ripe banana, 4½ tablespoons vanilla protein powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon table salt. Procedure: separate the egg whites from the yolks. Manually whisk or use a mixer to beat the egg whites until slightly stiff. In a separate bowl, mash the ripe banana. Add the vanilla protein powder and mix. Add the egg yolks and beat until smooth. Add the baking powder, cinnamon powder, and table salt. Mix well. Add half of the beaten egg whites to the banana mixture. Fold in until combined. Add the remaining egg whites and fold in carefully until combined. Scoop 1/4 cup of the resulting batter onto a pan and cook for 1 minute on each side. Enjoy on its own or with a topping of fresh berries or Greek yogurt. 2. Chia pudding. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons chia seeds, 1 cup unsweetened coconut milk, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1½ teaspoons of honey. Procedure: in a large mason jar or any other container with a lid, combine all the ingredients and mix well. Cover the jar and keep in the refrigerator overnight. The next day you can enjoy it with a topping of fresh berries or nuts. 3. Herbed tilapia fillet. Ingredients: 4 tilapia fillets, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon dried parsley, 1 tablespoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon dried dill, 1 teaspoon dried thyme. Procedure: preheat the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 177 degrees Celsius. Combine all the dried herbs and mix well. In a baking dish, spread olive oil on each side of the 4 tilapia fillets. Evenly sprinkle the herb mix onto each side of the fish. Bake in the oven for 15 minutes or until fish flakes with a fork. Enjoy over couscous or with a side of buttered vegetables. 4. Tofu Stir-Fry. Ingredients: 1 250-gram pack firm tofu, cubed and fried, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 red onions, 6 cloves of garlic minced, 1 cup of broccoli florets, 1 red bell pepper, julienne, 1/2 cup of button mushrooms, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of Hoisin sauce, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, salt and pepper to taste. Procedure: in a frying pan, heat olive oil. Add onions and garlic, sauté. Add broccoli florets and let it partially cook, stirring occasionally. Add red bell pepper and button mushrooms. In a bowl, combine white sugar, Hoisin sauce, and oyster sauce. Add the fried tofu into the frying pan and pour over the sauce mix. Stir over medium heat until vegetables are thoroughly cooked. Add salt and pepper to taste. Enjoy. 5. Skillet chicken fajitas. Ingredients: 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1½ teaspoons seasoned salt, 1½ teaspoons of oregano flakes, 1½ teaspoons ground cumin, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon paprika powder, 1½ pounds of chicken strips, boneless and skinless, 1 red bell pepper, julienne, 4 scallions thinly sliced, 1 medium onion chopped. Marinating procedure: in a large bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of olive oil, lemon juice, seasoned salt, oregano flakes, ground cumin, garlic powder, chili powder, and paprika powder. Add the chicken strips and turn to coat all pieces evenly. Keep in the refrigerator and let set for 1 hour. Cooking procedure. In a large skillet, heat the remaining olive oil. Add the marinated chicken strips and stir-fry. Add the pepper, scallions, and onion. Stir continuously until all ingredients are cooked through. Enjoy! These 5 healthy food recipes to lose weight are based on research-backed diet philosophies. Limit your diet to low carbohydrate, high protein, and fat-infused recipes, and you will soon enjoy the weight loss you've been working so hard for. For more information, please refer to the list of references provided. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.